Today we are going to make Glyko Kolokithokeftedes. Try saying that again. Glyko Kolokithokeftedes. Glyko meaning sweet, kolokithi pumpkin, can also mean zucchini, and keftedes meaning patty. So let's try that again. Glyko Kolokithokeftedes. To the grated pumpkin, I have already added salt and pepper. We'll be adding in a combination of ricotta, feta and parmesan cheese, so a 3-cheese mix, as well as fresh onion, spring onion, dill and mint, 1 egg, and a large tablespoon of flour. Just use your hands to gently incorporate that until it all comes together. It's a beautiful consistency. It is a little bit sticky, but you want it to be quite wet, and it smells absolutely beautiful with all those fresh herbs. Just add a couple of tablespoons of the mixture to your pan and flatten it down. Cook them on a relatively high heat and turn them over halfway through until they've got a nice golden colour. And there you have it, perfectly beautiful Glyko Kolokithokeftedes. Take them out of the frying pan and place them on some absorbent paper.